hotel. Today's day 3. Good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to Artisan Automotive. So today I am en route down south to do some of my clients' vehicles. The cars in question, I'll save that for when we get there. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we are a detailing company that travel the nation, looking after clients' cars all over the country. The Artisan nationwide program is now in action, so if you want to join the Artisan team, hit us up with an email and we can have a discussion about you becoming part of the brand. But for now, let's enjoy the journey and I will see you when we get there. So I've arrived at my destination. I've already started on the vehicle. The vehicle that is getting the treatment first, as you can see, the snow foam is dwelling. The sun is starting to come out, so it's time for me to start rinsing this particular snow foam off the vehicle. This vehicle was coated last year, so this is just a maintenance clean and ceramic coating top up. Having already rinsed the vehicle down, the beading is still immense, so this shouldn't be a very labour intensive job, but still what we do best, get this Rolls-Royce Ghost looking arty fresh. So after a thorough rinse down, it is time to start on 2 bucket wash method. Shampoo, clear water. So I will go in with my mitt over the vehicle, starting at the roof and working my way down the vehicle. Straight lines, no circular motions to prevent swirls. That should keep this car looking how it looks right now in the sun, which is fresh. And then we will dry the vehicle, tape up the necessary areas, give it a light machine polish to reduce any marring that may be on the car, and then go in with protecting the paint with the ceramic coating. The interior will also be protected with the ceramic coating. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough, but I'm also going to do it with the camera in my hand, so I'm not going to put any tripod shots up. It's going to be each step as we go along, like this point of view. So after a successful 2 bucket wash method and vehicle rinse, it is time to now dry the vehicle. Now I need to move quick because the vehicle is in the sunlight, and obviously because we are down south, the London water is quite hard, so we want to reduce water marks if we can. So let me dry this vehicle and I will check in with you once it's all dry. So the vehicle has been washed and dried. Time to move it over here so I can get it in the shade and inspect the paint. Let's go. So I am now inside the vehicle. It smells so nice in here. I think it's down to this Rituals air freshener. Never heard of it, but nonetheless it's beautiful. Yeah, so in the Rolls-Royce, as you can see, oh look at that, there's Dante the dog around the car, so I need to be aware of the dog while I'm moving it. I don't want to run over it. As you can see in the Rolls-Royce, it has a 360-degree camera, shows you exactly what is around you. If you look quite carefully right there, you'll see the pressure washer and the buckets. So I'm going to move the vehicle over into the shade, inspect the paint, see what we're working with. The luxury of a Rolls-Royce. Hello Dante. So the vehicle has been washed and dried, had its decontamination. Now I'm inspecting the paintwork to see what we are looking at. Very difficult to pick up on the camera, but there's very few imperfections on the paint. I can still see some that as a detailer may be more noticeable to me than others, so I'm going to correct those issues that are jumping out at me. Shouldn't take me too long, to be fair, because this paint work and colour is very forgiving. So as you can see there, I've taped up the Rolls-Royce badge to ensure the machine polisher doesn't catch and I don't get polish in between the gaps. But yeah, paintwork looks really good. Time to correct it, get this thing looking fresh. Just checked out of my hotel. Today's day 3. You haven't seen much clips because the weather has been atrocious. But today I'm working on the Lamborghini Huracan, so hopefully I can do some filming. It has been forecast rain, so there's a possibility that I might not be able to, but I'm putting this clip together anyway, just in case. See you when I get there. So, the car's outside, ready for its clean. I need to just get my equipment set up, but let me just give you a quick walk around how it currently looks. So today we are working on the Lamborghini Huracan. As you can see, it's got a lot of debris from the tree on the vehicle. And that's only because it was parked over by a big tree, but it's nothing damaging to the paintwork. We will give that a good rinse. This car was ceramic coated last year. Every year it has a top up just to ensure that it looks arty fresh for the remainder of its ownership. So I'm going to do an inspection on the paintwork today and then give it a light enhancement with a product that doesn't remove the coating, but it removes the marring on the surface of the coating. So this will be having a light enhancement and a top up of coating. I'm going to do a quick wash on the vehicle so you can see how we look after this car, and then I'm going to get it inside and coat it. Watch this space. Time to inspect the paintwork. Current situation is this, so not too bad. It actually looks better than I thought. Very minor marring, which you're probably just about picking up on the camera, but all in all, the paintwork is good. I'm going to do the light correction on this. I'm going to show you how we do it. Nice and easy, which shouldn't take too long to get this car corrected. Watch this. So, the product I'm going to be using today is Essence Plus. As you can see here, this is a top coat jeweling agent which has hydrophobic properties inside the bottle. This actual product is used for cars that have been ceramic coated. What the product does is removes the marring, which is the minor swirl marks that you see on top of the coating. Removes the marring and adds a layer of ceramic coating at the same time, so it reduces your labour time and it does a good job. First point of call is me use a test pad, so I'm going to use the first pad that I think may do the job, see how the results are. If I'm happy with those results, I will remain using that pad. If I'm not happy, I will change over to another pad and go again. Let's have a look. Now let's get this camera off the stand and have a look what it looks like. So, considering that was just a quick pass with the pad in question, the results look amazing in comparison to this panel. As you can see, just there above my finger there is some minor marring, but like I said, the marring on this vehicle is very minimal, so this combination is very effective. But look at that, night and day difference. So I'm happy with this pad. I'm going to carry on around the vehicle, correct it, get this car looking arty fresh. work here is done. The 3 beasts have been ceramic coated, ready for next year. All away in their garage, tucked up in their spaces, the Rolls-Royce Ghost, Lamborghini Huracan and the Bentley Bentayga. My work here is done. As you can see, the lights are off. It's time for me to go home. Thank you all for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up if you like the video. But for now, you know the motto, whatever you do, do it well.